Today we're going to take a look at how to fix a KitchenAid refrigerator that has issues where the touchpad either doesn't work or doesn't work correctly. As you can see in my situation, the touchpad does work, but I can't adjust the temperature, max cool, humidity settings, anything like that, or specify if I want water or ice from the door. The first thing we'll need to do before even moving forward with repair is find the correct part. Fortunately, you can search for the main control board assembly through Sears' website and putting in your model number. Your model number is usually on the inside of the fridge, typically on the right hand side. In my case, it was around $140 for a new control board, which is extremely reasonable to me. After you order it and it comes in, it's time to get to work. Go ahead and slide your fridge out so you can access the back side of it, and let's start by unplugging it. From the back side, we can see a small panel with 4 screws that needs to be removed. On my model, it's near the bottom left of the fridge. Remove the 4 screws and you'll have access to the main control board. The main control board has 4 clips that need to be removed. They have a small lever clip on them in the center that you squeeze and then pull to remove the connectors. After removing all 4 connectors, you should be able to remove your board. You may have to pry up slightly on the hook clips that are at the top and bottom of the board. Mine was just already loose, it seems. Once the old board is removed, simply grab your new board, plug in your connectors, and slide it back into place. Make sure to fit it underneath the hold-down hooks on the right-hand side before snapping it into place. After the new board is in, we can go ahead and replace the metal cover. 3 of the 4 screws are sheet metal screws, and 1 is a standard coarse thread screw. Make sure the different screw goes into the plastic threaded section, which was the top left for my model. After the panel is back on, let's go ahead and plug the fridge back in to make sure the display comes back on. It should go to the default programming mode, as you can see on mine when it first powers on. We will need to enter the code for our specific fridge here. The code can be found on the same sticker inside of the fridge that the model number was on. In my case, my code is 2213. To enter code programming mode, we need to do a small sequence on the keypad. Press and hold the water keypad, then press and hold the lower left keypad. Release the water keypad and wait 3 seconds. The control will display PE to indicate the programming mode. Press the upper right keypad or lower right keypad to change the digit value with each press. The decimal point indicates the selected digit. Press the upper left keypad to select the next digit. Once you're done, press and hold the lower left keypad until the programming mode begins to flash, indicating that it has been saved. Once done, press and hold the water key for 3 seconds to exit the programming mode. Now you can verify that everything works properly. And that's it. Your fridge should now be working again. This should save you a few $100s for calling someone to come out for something that only takes 5 minutes of your time and is very simple to replace. As always, if you like the content I'm putting out or have any questions or comments, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on new content as it comes out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.